Hi YouTube. So I'm so upset right now. Like, you have no idea how upset I am right now, because I did a whole 12-minute video. I deleted it by accident and I am pissed right now, but I have to film another one because I've been home all day and my goal today was to do at least 2 videos. The first video I did, I deleted it, so now I'm doing another one. Pissed. Okay, so the other video that I made, my first acne video, I had a lot of people ask me a lot of questions, so I decided I'll make a part 2 of it and go into details about the other product that I forgot to mention, and the product that I did mention, how to use it. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna go over is the baking soda that I mentioned in my first video. With the baking soda, guys, the strength of the baking soda decreases after a month of using it. So when you get it, put a date on it. Like, I just got this yesterday and I put a date right here just so I know when I need to change it, which is a month from the date that you bought it, from the date that you opened it, basically. So yeah, now the paste, I made a little paste so you guys can see exactly how the paste works. So you put a little paste in whatever. Okay guys, so this is the paste. I made a paste so I can show you guys how to do it. So with the baking soda, just add water to it. And I just mixed it, and this is how it comes out. And just put it in the back of my hand like this. It's not really too watery and it's not too thick either. It's kind of in between. And then I go ahead and I just put it, like if I have an acne spot, like something like this one, I'll just go ahead and put this on it. And you can leave it on your face overnight. But if you have sensitive skin and your skin is burning or something, you feel like, oh my god, it's burning, wash it off. That's like your skin trying to tell you there's something wrong, because it depends on the skin that you have. Or you can just use it as a face wash. Go ahead and put it on all over your face and just go ahead and wash it off. You don't have to put it as the paste. You don't have to use it as an overnight treatment. You can just use it. You can just use it as a face wash. Okay. And also with the this one right here, you can go ahead and kind of do the same thing. The paste is it's about the same. This is how this paste come out, just like this, and you can go ahead and do the same. Put it on the spot and just leave it there overnight. Or if your skin, like I say, if your skin is sensitive, be careful. Or you can just put it on there. If you are like about to take a shower, put this on your face and you wash it off after you take a shower or in the shower. Or you can just use it as a face wash, put it all over your face, and just go ahead and wash it right after you put it on your face. I would say like 5 minutes later, just go ahead and wash it off. Okay guys, there's one thing that I forgot that I'm not sure why I forgot it. I think probably because I didn't have any more, and that's probably why I forgot. And this right here is the Fair and White exfoliating soap. Now this soap is very essential if you have dark spot and you're trying to get rid of the dark spots. Okay, I probably forgot to mention this because I didn't have any more when I did the first video, but this is the reason why I have less dark spots on my face. Now when you exfoliator is so you can get rid of dead skin cells. Dark spots are dead skin cells on your face. Now this is how it comes. Now the way in which I use this, I just wet the soap and I go ahead and scrub it, because my dark spots are like right here and right here. I go ahead and just rub it on there, and I will leave it on there for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I wash it. Now with the thing with exfoliator, you don't want to use this every day. Don't use it every day because it's too harsh for your skin. Exfoliator kind of rip the layers of your skin. You don't literally see it peeling off, but sometimes you can see it can be a little scaly. Now with this, I use this like 3 times a week the most. I don't want to overuse it. I don't want to overdo it. If you have sensitive skin, you can use this like once a week or twice a week. You don't want to go ahead and just use it every day, because that's not a good thing to do. Okay. Also, one of the things that I forgot to mention in my other video is the fact that I do use sunscreen whenever I do my makeup. This is like my moisturizer. I put this on my face and then I do my makeup. And then sometimes I put this on my face and then I put my primer and then I do my makeup if I put my primer. Oh, this thing is making my arm so wet. Yes, I do use this quite often. sunscreen. Sunscreen is still very important for you to protect your skin from the sun. And so yeah, I think it's important. I mean, I've been using it, so I mean, if you want to go ahead and try it, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And I think that's all that I left. I did another part of the video, so I'm just going to combine the two. And hopefully I don't delete this video because I'll be so pissed. So I also went back to CVS and I grabbed the acne cleansing bar. This is the basically the cleansing bar. This is the bar and this is the wash. But they both do the same thing, I'm supposing. You can also use this soap. I dropped it in water, that's why the box looks so ratchet. But this is how it came. I just kept the box so I can show you guys. It says the acne cleansing bar, Panoxyl. I guess that's how you say it. Maximum strength. You can use this for your face, chest, and back. And this is how it came. So far, I had it for what, like 2 days. I think it's working. But like I said, I don't have any acne problems, so I can't really say, oh my god, it worked for my acne. But I know my face, the only problem that I have now is the spots, so I'm trying to like get rid of it 100%. It's like 80% gone. I have 20 more percent to get rid of. One thing that I've also tried, I had this tea tree oil for a while, but I wasn't really using it consistently. I would just use it once in a while. And so I heard now that it works really well for dark spots. So if you're out there and you have dark spots, please use it. I'm going to use this every night for the next month. And I will let you guys, I'll take a before and after picture and I'll show you guys exactly if it worked or not. I also started using olive oil on my face as well, and I'll let you guys know how that works as well. Another thing that I forgot to tell you guys in the other video is that I do take vitamins. I take this vitamin right here. It says multivitamin supplement, Aldo Choose, and it has all these it has all these minerals in there. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B. It has biotin in there. It has zinc in here, which zinc is also good for your skin. And I also take biotin. This is supposed to help you with get strong nails and strong hair and help you get clean skin, good skin. I can't really say hey, working for my skin because like I said, I take it sometimes and sometimes I forget to take it. And also I will tell you guys to my last tip is to drink water. I know sometimes myself I forget to drink water. I have a very sweet tooth, so I like drinking sweet things, but not soda. I stopped drinking soda a long time ago, but I still like drinking juice and stuff like that. And sometimes I ignore my water, so what I've been doing is drinking like the flavored waters, because that's like a little trick for me that, oh my god, it still tastes good, but I'm still drinking water, even though it still has some like stuff in there, but it's not as bad as drinking soda. If you drink soda, stop. Well, for me, because I have bad skin, I have to take the extra step to take care of my skin. I can't just go around eating what I want, drinking what I want, even though I do eat what I want. It's bad. So yes, I have to drink water. I have to kind of make myself drink it, yeah, because I don't like the flavor, but I know it's good for me, so I do it. I think I covered everything as far as acne and as far as dark marks. If you guys want to see another video of whatever, let me know. I don't mind making another video to explain it more, because I would love for everybody to be walking around with good skin, because I know how it's like to have bad skin and not being so confident in yourself, and getting rid of all the marks and all the acne makes you feel good. And if you don't feel good about something, do something so that you can change that. Don't sit there and complain about like this, but you're not really putting the time and effort into trying to change it. If you really want change, you have to put work into it. And that's what I do. You have to, if you start using something and it doesn't work in a week, don't give up. Skin takes 28 days to see. It takes 28 days to see new skin. So for you to just give up a week, you're not really going to see a difference. You have to stick through it. If you go a whole month and it's not working, I understand that you can try something different, but don't go a week and then be like, oh my god, it's not working, because nothing works overnight. You have to keep doing it for it to work. You have to put the work into it. If you want to see results, you have to put the work into it. So guys, thank you so much, my ladies, my men out there. Please go out and try this product. It's not as oily as it used to be. I don't know how that happened. It's still oily, but it's not as bad. Maybe it's the product that I use. I'm not sure, but I'm loving it. I'm not complaining. And also, like I said, I still have dark marks, so I'm still working on that, but it's not as bad as it used to be, because, and I really think it's because of the exfoliator, because I exfoliate, and exfoliator will get rid of the skin cells. It's a blessing to just have you watch my videos. I am so privileged to be able to do it. Yeah, because I know how it's like to not have good skin, and it's not fun. It's not fun at all. And so any way that I can help anybody else get rid of this problem, I would love to do a lot of videos. If you want me to do another one, I will do it. Let me know. Leave a message. Email me. Check me out on Instagram, on Facebook. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a blessed day. And yeah, bye. And a little African music for you guys. I get money on. This is my favorite part right here. Na, na, na. Alright guys. Bye. Thank you so much.